For this brief tutorial, we are going to modify a Desire to Learn quiz with differentiated release conditions. We will go to the Assessment tab on the navigation bar, and to the right we're going to click down to Quizzes and Exams. We have a quiz created for a previous week, and we're going to go ahead and make a modification to New Wave Quiz 2 to make it more accessible for one of the students in the class. Click Edit, and go to Restrictions to verify if a due date and availability date has been set. As you see here, one hasn't been set, so we're going to check the due date box. Give it a due date of the 16th, 11:59. Availability will start today, and the end date will be the end of the month. Now, once the dates have been established, we're going to go down to timing, and we see recommended and enforced time limit. We're going to select enforced time limit, and we're going to, give this one 60 minutes. And for the grace period, we're going to give 10 minutes. And that will be the additional 10-minute warning for the student. And then, after the grace period, we're going to select prevent the student from making further changes. Then, in the special access area, verify allow selected users special access to the quiz has been selected. And then we're going to select add users to special access. And in the properties section, we're going to go ahead and give it an extension to the 23rd. And then the enforced time limit, we're going to go ahead and take this to, 70 minutes. And the extra time, we're going to give them 20 minutes. And the grace period, we're going to give them 5. Select the student, click Add Special Access. Now turn to the Restrictions tab. And then look it over. And then we see right here for the student, they have a different date. So we see the time limit has been established and an extended due date as well. You can now select Save and Close. And the changes have been made.